In this video, we're going to be discussing the features of the MailChimp audience dashboard. And we will also review your MailChimp audience settings. The dashboard is accessible from the left-hand navigation if you click Audience Dashboard. It provides you with clickable data to help you understand your contacts and how to communicate with them. You will see recent growth trends, top tags, locations, and how frequently contacts open and click on your emails. You can click on almost any information on the dashboard and be taken to an action on it and create a campaign. So for example, if I clicked on a tag, it says target with campaign. If I tick on a location, it says target with campaign. So starting from the top, message inbox. The MailChimp inbox allows you to view and reply to emails from your contacts. Recent growth. This section gives you an overview of your audience growth over the last 30 days. It shows you which contact collection methods have grown your audience the most. Tags. The tag section lists the 5 most commonly used tags with the number of contacts for each. This highlights trends in your audience. You'll see customer lifetime value and purchase likelihood if you have enough data from your connected MailChimp store. MailChimp uses data science to predict the behavior of your store customers from low through to moderate and high. Predictive demographics shows the estimated gender and age range of your audience. Email marketing engagement highlights how often your contacts open and click your emails. These numbers are updated each time marketing emails are sent. Top location, based on your contact's IP address when they interact with your emails and sign-up forms. This shows the cities which show the most activity from your subscribed contacts. Next, let's look at audience settings. You can manage your audience settings from the dashboard if you click Manage Audience and then Settings, or if you go to All Contacts, there's a settings section at the top. So first, let's look at the audience name and defaults. So first choice is the audience name. As audience names, it's best to choose something which will enable you to identify this audience and what it represents. Underneath, you have the option for double opt-in. This is where contacts are sent an opt-in confirmation when they subscribe to your audience. Enable reCAPTCHA. This helps prevent spam bots from adding emails to your audience. Down the bottom here, we have default from name. This is the name that emails will come from. Use something your subscribers will instantly recognize your company name. The default email address. This is the default reply address that people will reply to. And the default email subject. Now, you should not really be using this because you should be setting this at the campaign level. Finally, on the left-hand side, we have send a final welcome name. You have the option to send a welcome email when people opt into your audience. The email can be edited from the audience form designer, which we'll be talking about in another lecture. Secondly, publicity settings. When subscribers click on the View in Browser Archive link to their email, MailChimp will display an archive version to the campaign in their browser. You can also activate the archive bar, which will allow them to see other campaigns that have been previously sent, and you can turn that on and off here.